So they call this the AC8 the Sherman tank. This is one of the latest Sherman variant that was produced during the war. So in this video I'm going to look for the serial number of this tank. So if we are going to know the serial number of this tank, then maybe we can trace the history of this tank. What I found in Google is that accordingly you can find the serial number of the tank over here, but as far as I can see, there's nothing in here. There's nothing embedded. I'm not sure if it was just covered with the paint. Look at that, there's nothing in there. Over here, there's nothing in here. So I cannot find the serial number of this tank. So we might as well look somewhere else. Maybe on the side. Not here. Nothing in here. Maybe let's take a look. Looks like it's I'm not sure, it's 2181. B U E. What do you think, guys?